Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Abdul Qayyum Ansari. Today I am going to give a presentation on my project, which is mechanical characterization of hybrid metal matrix compositions. This project is done by our team, which includes Muhammad Wajid Ahmad, Sayyid Abdul Ghaffar and myself. Firstly, contents. Contents involves abstract, introduction, objective, material description, experimental procedure, test results and reports, and lastly, conclusion. First, abstract. In this thesis, consider the potential use of aluminum alloy 7075 and graphite metal matrix composition with particular references to the aerospace industry. Initially, the required properties are identified, after which the work explore limitations. MMCs were recommended as a possible replacement for aluminum, and it's seen that the exact set of properties depend on certain factors. In this paper, hardness and tensile strength experiments have been conducted by varying mass fraction of graphite, that is 6%, 8%, and 10% with aluminum 7075. The Rockwell cum Brinell hardness testing method was used to determine hardness. Let's go to introduction. A metal matrix composition MMC is a composite material with at least two consistent parts. One being a metal which we are using aluminum 7075, and another material in which we are using graphite. Composition. MMCs are made by dispersing a reinforcing material into a metal matrix. The reinforcement surface can be coated to prevent a chemical reaction with the matrix. For example, carbon fibers are commonly used in aluminum matrix to synthesize composites showing low density and high strength. However, carbon reacts with aluminum to generate a brittle and water soluble compound A14C3 on the surface of the fiber. Matrix. The matrix is the monolithic material into which the reinforcement is embedded, which is completely continuous. This means that there is a path through the matrix to any point in a material, unlike two materials sandwiched together. The objectives of this project are: the present study involves the development of hybrid metal matrix composite reinforced with particulate graphite and aluminum 7075 by using sand casting method. Weight fractions are varied by using different proportions, that is 6%, 8% and 10% of graphite with aluminum 7075 matrix. The fabricated aluminum alloy was solution treated and then precipitation treated for T6 condition. Nextly, experimental investigation. The materials, there are three specimens. First one contains aluminum 7075 with 6% graphite. Second one contains aluminum 7075 with 8% of graphite, and the last one contains aluminum 7075 with 10% of graphite proportion. You can see the raw material images on your screen. Here is the image of graphite powder that we have used. Casting. Casting is a manufacturing procedure in which liquid material is usually poured into a mold which contains a hollow cavity of the desired shape and allowed to solidify. In this, we have used sand casting, but there are different types of casting, namely resin casting, fettling, and here is the casting process simulation. Casting process simulation uses numerical methods to calculate cast components quality considering mold filling, solidification and cooling, and provides a quantitative prediction of casting. The sand casting method which we have used is also known as sand molded casting. It is a metal casting process characterized by using sand as the mold material. The term sand casting can also refer to an object produced via the sand casting process. Sand castings are produced in specialized factories called foundries. Over 60% of all metal castings are produced via sand casting process. Nextly, the experimental procedure. Aluminium 7075 hybrid metal matrix is fabricated by sand casting method. It is an attractive, economical and casting technique. That's why we have chosen it. Aluminium 7075 is melted up to 850 degrees in a graphite crucible and the reinforcement were preheated to the same temperature. Preheated graphites was mixed in the metal slurry manually at 850 degrees. Here are the casting images. In this figure you can see it is heated up to 850 degrees and the patterns are also displayed on the right side of your screen. Nextly, the powder mixing is shown and the pouring of metal is also shown. After pouring the material, the molten metal, the specimen look like this. You can see on its screen. This is the image of aluminium 7075 with 6% of graphite. This is the and nextly this is the image of with 8% of graphite proportion and lastly 10%. We use the specimen. We wanted to use in a double dumbbell shape for the specimen, so that's why we machined it in a double dumbbell shape. Here are the images and you can see that we worked according to the ASTM standards. Here are the test results for tensile test. This is the first sample contains for 6% graphite, the second one for the 8% and the third one for the 10%. We conducted the test reports from Hyderabad Engineering Labs, which are a trusted company, and you can see the tensile test report on your screens. Nextly, we have also completed the test with all the three samples and you can see all those images on the screen. I will explain the samples and the results we have got from it. You can see that with the 6% of proportion, we got the ultimate tensile strength of 95.328 Newton per mm square and the elongation was 5.2%, yield strength of 64.13 Newton per mm square. With the 8%, the ultimate tensile strength decreased to 83.307 and the elongation increased to 9.6%, whereas the yield strength decreased to about 10 Newton per mm square. In the case of 10%, the ultimate tensile strength increased to 92%, 92.443446 to be exactly. Elongation decreased to 6.2% and the yield strength was seen as 58.800 Newton per mm square. These are the graphs for the ultimate tensile strength. You can see the elongation and also the yield strength. Nextly, we conducted hardness test from the same company, Hyderabad Engineering Labs, and you can see the samples on the screen, the impressions of the samples. Nextly, I am going to discuss the hardness test tables from the samples. The first test sample with the 6% graphite and aluminium 7075 showed brittle hardness number of 47.23, whereas with the 8% it slightly increased to 47.61. And you can see the same with the 10%. It increased to 0.2%, 0.2. On the right side, there is a graph of brittle hardness number with the different samples. You can see the curve slightly increasing with the increasing number of graphite percentage. Lastly, we have the impact test report of all the three samples. You can see the impact test on the sample 1 conducted is 6 and the average is 6. Finally, the conclusion. In this thesis, our team has gathered information and has got to know that it considered the potential use of aluminum 7075 with graphite metal matrix composition with particular references to the aerospace industry. This project has a lot of advantages in this industry. Initially, these required properties are identical, after which the work explores pure aluminum and its importance in the industry. In this project, we are fabricated specimens at different compositions that are aluminum 7075 with 6% graphite, nextly with 8% graphite, and lastly with the 10% graphite. These are fabricated by sand casting method. We chose this casting method because it was simple, easy, and we saved money from it. It reveals that the casting procedure reveals that it has enhanced mechanical properties, hardness, tensile strength, and impact strength. The hardness improved by adding reinforcement to the base alloy. The addition of graphite particles improved the hardness and improved wear properties result by the addition of aluminum and graphite. Furtherly, the mechanical properties enriched by heat treatment, hardness and tensile strength improved by aluminum alloy 7075 with 6% of graphite powder. Lastly, these are the references from which we have taken the different proportions. There are a lot of references. Thank you. This is the end of this presentation. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.